series. Learn to talk and read with birds. Hi sweetheart, good morning. Today we are gonna learn to read with IC series using birds. Come on, let's go see. Crow. I see a crow. Read with me. I see a crow. Peacock. I see a peacock. Read with me. I see a peacock. I see a dove. Read with me. I see a dove. Sparrow. I see a sparrow. Read with me. I see a sparrow. Goose. I see a goose. Read with me. I see a goose. Stork. I see a stork. Read with me. I see a stork. Pigeon. I see a pigeon. Read with me. I see a pigeon. Turkey. I see a turkey. Read with me. I see a turkey. Hawk. I see a hawk. Read with me. I see a hawk. Bald eagle. I see a bald eagle. Read with me. I see a bald eagle. Parrot. I see a parrot. Read with me. I see a parrot. Flamingo. I see a flamingo. Read with me. I see a flamingo. Seagull. Read with me. I see a seagull. I see a seagull. Very good. Let's keep going. Ostrich. I see an ostrich. I see an ostrich. Great job. Woodpecker. I see a woodpecker. Read with me. I see a woodpecker. Penguin. I see a penguin. Read with me. I see a penguin. Owl. I see an owl. Read with me. I see an owl. Hen. I see a hen. Read with me. I see a hen. Very good. Okay, sweetheart, we have seen a lot today, haven't we? Let's learn more on my next video. Before that, remind mommy and daddy to subscribe to this channel to get new videos update. See you soon. Bye-bye.